Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, do you want to make this amazing traveling template in PowerPoint? So, let me show you how to make this template in just 3 minutes. So, be sure to watch the video till end. Go to Insert tab and insert a triangle right here like this. You have to copy it and paste it and you have to rotate it. Now, decrease both of their sizes and put them like this, increase their sizes, and there you go. You have these two triangles, and you have to insert another huge triangle and decrease its height. There you go, rotate it and put it right here in between these two triangles like this. Next, what you have to do is go to Insert tab and add a rectangle and select both the shapes and subtract it. Add another rectangle and subtract it again. I'm gonna add these pictures, so go to shape format and insert these pictures from insert picture texture fill, and you can insert any image you want from here into the shape. That's it. Now I'm gonna choose this picture for the third triangle. There you go. Select both the shapes and give them shadow. Now go to Insert tab and add this diamond and rotate it. Decrease the size and rotate it a little bit more. Now increase its height and width. Rotate it, increase its size, and there you go. Increase its height, decrease it a little bit, add an image into it. There you go. I'm going to choose this image. So now what you have to do is decrease its transparency. There you go. I have made it transparent. Now add a rectangle right here. Select both the shapes and subtract it and do the following with the another corner. And there you go. Add another shape and select both the shapes and subtract it. Now go to Insert tab and you have to insert this triangle and rotate it. You have to rotate it. There you go. I have rotated it and I'm gonna put it into this corner right here. Now let's change its color to dark blue. I have added the text. There you go. I have pasted the text. Select both the shapes and change their colors. Now it's time to give animations. Be sure to give the same animations if you want the same results. Also give the same timings to the animations as well. So this is the one, and I'm gonna change the direction of the animation as well. So be sure to watch the video till end to uh, give all the transitions and animations I have given. There you go. It's all done. Now be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So this is the final result. And don't forget to comment down the video to let us know about your opinion about the video. And that's it.